In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and safely remove the rear taillight on a second-generation Lexus RX. This is a short DIY tutorial, so I'll get straight to the point and show you the easiest way to remove the taillight without damaging any of the clips or the body panels. Let's get started. First, open the rear hatch. On the inside, you'll find a small plastic access cover. Carefully remove this cover using a flathead screwdriver, or even better, a plastic trim removal tool, to avoid scratching the interior trim. Once the cover is removed, you'll see three 10mm mounting nuts that hold the taillight in place. Using a ratchet with a 10mm deep socket and a long extension, loosen and remove all three nuts. The lower nuts are easy to reach with the ratchet. However, the upper nut has limited space around it, so you may need to finish removing it by hand after loosening it with the ratchet. After all three nuts have been removed, you're ready to take out the taillight assembly. Simply pull the taillight straight toward you. It is also secured by alignment clips, so use steady, even pressure until it pops free. Before removing the taillight completely, don't forget to disconnect the electrical connectors from the back of the assembly. Press the locking tabs on the connectors and unplug them carefully. Once the wiring has been disconnected, the rear taillight can be removed completely. And that's it! As you can see, removing the rear taillight on a second-generation Lexus RX is a quick and straightforward job that only takes a few minutes with basic tools.